Our team name is Odori, and we are a Western dance team from Ambedkar University of Delhi.
2 years back we started with competing in DU circuit. That was our first time, and I think a lot of people know us through our production song Isis. That is what we did, and we are as a society, it's more like a family, because we believe our roots belong to learning something from its core. So Odori, from the very start, there were many people who were trained in different dance styles. We have classical, we have western, from kuchipudi to whacking, everything is there.
Hi guys, this is Rahul and this is Ajay Lama. We are from iDesign. iDesign is basically a cinematography and videography and graphics and many more things. So basically we do a lot of things in iDesign. iDesign is a whole soul idea of Ajay Lama here, and I am his teammate. He's the one who has this idea, and he is the one who curated this idea.
Whatever dance style we choose to represent, we represent it in its authenticity. So that is what Odori is.
To be get selected along with the people that you adore so much, that whose style, whose presence and whose knowledge of dance that you adore so much, that you want to learn from them, and to be able to compete with them on the same level, that is just happiness.
I mean, I remember when we initially started.
Okay, so honestly, other than for everybody who is a part of DDC, obviously their own team is the best. And I'll be honest, for me, whenever I looked at Spardha, I always used to wait for their performance because I used to love. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि like we always have kept this originality in ourselves, and that was something that was always visible when they were on stage. So I used to adore watching them. I used to be happy, like okay, मुझे देखकर अच्छा लगता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है okay, this is dance, and they are dancing, they are keeping it natural and original. So, and being a part of this competition has given us this opportunity and an excuse to come together and to participate in live, offline, to meet each other again after like 9 months. So that was happiness.
I remember the day that it was our first day when we met for the prelims video.
So yeah, like 3-4 weeks ago, I got a call from Agam, and he was like, bro, are you interested for this work? Like, we have this competition coming up, Rev Up, and would you like to be a part of it? I was like, yes, why not? I'm so damn excited about it. And that is why I bring my partner Ajay Lama here, and now we are working as a team in iDesign, in Rev Up. And it is very amazing to get to know that we'll be shooting, like we are shooting this music video for Brother V. Like he's going to be seeing all this video by himself, and maybe if we win this competition, maybe it will be our official video for this soundtrack. So like we are very excited about it, and we would love, like we would really love that if we will win. So सारा जो credit जाता है वो obviously Spardha, FTR and Rev Up the Roots को ही जाता है. Also Agam को special thanks जाता है because he saw my work, he saw our work, and that is why he came to us and he contacted us just to be a part of this huge competition.
So the song name is?
So the song name is
1, 2, 3. Hey Giri Nandini.
And
that is the song.
The reason why we selected it, the song, was basically we have both the Western and the classical dance styles. And we think that this song has it all. So we went for this song. You guys are so sweet.
Yeah.
And thank you guys. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. Really.
Thanks for bringing dance back.
Yeah.
Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandanutte Girivara Vindya Shirodini Vasini
fly, we keep it Indian. Rapping all the billions, better from Melbourne to Michigan. We used to living with villains and I'm from killers plus sinners. We never oblivious about God the illest. Far from errors, we high five fellas, divine realists. On microphones, we define sickest. Apart from my name, this one thing. These women like saying Om Namah Shivaya. Dropping the purest of flows. You like that, baby? It's the manjas on the show. We like that. The word's generic, verbs are methodic. Belief was genetic. The fate try and measure it. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandanute Girivara Vindya Shirodini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute Bhagavati Heshiti Kanta Kutumbini Bhuri Kutumbini Bhuri Kute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuravardhini Ramyaka Vardhini Shailasute. Mounted on the lion and posing the tender fiends. Stepping on the evil and crushing the lesser fiends. Beneath my feet and exposed your cowardice. And keep you on the ground till you know you're powerless. Ain't no pacifist, nah, we ain't never this calm. We do no wrong, but if you do it then we become a demigod. Taking forms, leaving enemies harmed to get along. Together we be singing the song like this. Avidyanamantasthamira mihiradvipanagiri Jananam chaitanyastabhakam karandastruti. Translation. Oh gracious one, you're the sun that dispels the darkness of the unlettered. You're the stream of consciousness for the unthinking fool. Narilanam chintamani gunarika janma jaladam Nimagnanam dhamsha muraripuvarahasya bhavati. You are the all-giving precious stone for the poor. But those crowned by the sea of birds are the tusks of the bow. Oh, I see you and everybody around me waiting to break free and run loose in the wild. Garizan, 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 Nisa Garizan, Nisa Gama Gama Gari Garizan, 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 da 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 da. Yo, I jump into the scene, performing the backflip. Burn the devil, cause him to turn into ashes. With the wrath of a woman combined with raw courage. Clash with the titans assigned to cause ruckus. And you're quick to flee out the door, feeling giddy when I'm bold and ready, holding swords and machetes. Yo,